Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to set Safari as your default browser on your iPhone. If you've recently changed your default browser on iPhone and want to get back to using Safari, then here's how you can do it. First of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone from your home screen. Inside Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps or Safari. Inside the app list, look for Safari and tap on that. Once you open up the Safari settings, go to Default Browser app. If you have any other default browser, then it will be listed and ticked on this page. Since I have only Safari on my iPhone, it is showing me the Safari ticked page. It is showing me that Safari is ticked, but if you have any other browser on the list, then you make sure to tap on Safari to make it your default browser again. A check mark will appear right next to it, and that means that from now on, your default browser on your iPhone is Safari. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.